Hey guys, I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to feature other pages on your page. So sometimes when you go on a Facebook page, you see on the right-hand side, they have pages this page likes, and you may see a list of one, two, three, however many, up to 5, and you can always click to see all of them. But what that is featured pages. So this means that if you have another page that you would like to link to so people can easily find it, or maybe you have someone you work with that has a similar page and you guys want to feature each other's pages on your pages so that you can push traffic back and forth. You know what I mean. So, like for me, I have a friend here in town, Kenny Miller, and he runs Rotter Files. He also does a lot of the car shows here in the Las Vegas Valley. So on my Off the Jacks page, I like to link to his page. Also, like the Bone Shakers Car Club that I work with, I have their page linked on mine. So all my visitors can also go over and see those pages. And of course, they put my page on theirs. So think of people that would complement your business, that you guys want to work together. And the more of these you can get working with, the better. Now, like I said, you can only show up to 5 at a time. So I would say stick with 5 or less. If you have more, they will rotate through, but then that gets to, kind of a mess. So I would say 5 or less. Pick some friends, pick people you work with that their business complements yours in some way. Or for some reason you have more than one page that you think your audience would like the other page to, go ahead and connect them up. So I'm going to show you how to do that so you can get together with others and maybe start pushing traffic together. Let's head over to Facebook. Okay, here we are on my Facebook page for Off the Jacks. And what we're looking at doing in this video is, you're going to see here, pages liked by this page. And as you can see, I have 3 other pages listed here. These pages always show up right here in this area. Now, I have several pages that I have liked as my Off the Jacks page. If you don't know how to like a page as your page, then we'll link to a video showing you how to do that. So there is an edit button right here, but that's not going to help you get these highlighted, all right? So what we're going to do is go back up to the top. We're going to go to Settings from the upper right. And we're going to come down in the left-hand side and we're going to go to Featured. All right, as you can see, here are the same 3 pages listed. You can have up to 5. If you have more than 5, it will rotate through them because it will only display 5 on the front page. Now to edit these, click Edit Featured Likes, and you can pick any pages you want to feature. So if I want to add another one, we're going to put Rat Rod Addiction in, and I'll click Save. And now it will be featured on my home page. If you want to remove one, you do the exact same thing. Go down, find the page you want to remove, uncheck it, click Save. There you go. So this way you can put any pages you want that will be featured on your home page in Facebook. Great for driving traffic between different pages, especially if you work with someone or if you own other similar pages. Okay, so there you have it. It's really easy to do. Go on, find some other people, start working with them so that you can pull some people from their audience, they can pull some from yours, and you're both going to win. So let us know how this works for you. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. If you don't hit the bell, you may not get notifications. And even when you hit the bell, you may not get notifications. So check back in with us. Thanks for watching.